Hit it. Hit it, guys. Hey, what's going on? We're back at it. We got a camera guy, camera woman. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. That's Mary Kate. Paul the Builder's wife. Oh, yeah. So, what we're doing, we already put this in the hole over here to measure how far deep we need to go. Yeah, no, this is so ghetto. This is so ghetto. And these are shiny new valves. I just bought them. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. Here, let's look at the intake valve. Yeah. Nice and shiny. We're about to mess some stuff up.
Hopefully not messing it up.
You say that. You say that. Oh, so yeah. Now we're about to take this sandpaper over there, and we're about to cut bigger valve reliefs in here, like they are on this in this motor. Now you gotta get a piston.
That's what we're cutting the
yeah.
Panoramic it.
Panoramic it.
Yes.
All right, you're gonna have to learn to be a cameraman. Camera woman.
Ooh, there's number one, girl.
Yeah, yeah. We'll teach her. We'll teach her to learn or whatever.
That's the intake side.
So yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing here. We'll come back to this when we actually start cutting. So yeah. I want to record you. Well, hang on there, buddy.
Oh, I was trying to see if it's even going to get big enough to do it.
Oh, it should. It should. It should. All right, we're set up. Kind of, sort of. We're about to see if this is even going to work. Yeah,
it
go
spins.
Yeah, go slow. They say go slow. Slow and like barely push down on it. Hang on, don't give it all the beans.
No, it's rubbing it now.
Okay.
It's already down. Look how much money.
Okay. Can't really. Here, we'll get a video of that. All right. But I say go slow and then push on it lightly, you know.
So other people when they're like, oh, let's go to YouTube and see how to do it. Your video pops up.
It'll probably be like how not to do it. Okay. Let's pull it off and see what it looks like.
Ooh.
What?
G-body.
Oh yeah.
The body.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice. You got it. And did a little bit. How's that look though?
Hold on, we got to change out.
Here, let me see it. Oh shit. What does it look like? Is it all tore up? Okay. Oh, it already. It did cut it though. It did cut it.
Yeah.
You think we got the wrong sandpaper?
No, if it's cutting through it, it's going through it. Now, the only thing I'm worried about is how thick is these pistons.
I ain't worried about it.
If we happen to go through the piston.
If we do, then it's a lost cause, and this is end of the series. All right, do we put more sandpaper on?
I'm gonna keep going.
Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, that was metal. That was metal. That's metal. That's metal on metal. That's some metal on metal. I told you we'd fuck up these valves. That's why I only bought 2 of them. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna come back to this when we figure out what we're doing. So, you know. All right. Defeated face.
Yeah.
Defeated face. Hey, you gotta look at the defeated face.
Bad.
We couldn't do what we wanted to. Yet it's not. The internet lied to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to buy a cutter. Just gonna have to buy the cutter for it. I was trying to do cheap and I mean, it cut,
But it didn't cut.
but it didn't cut the way we wanted it to. So, yeah. We're just gonna have to get a cutter. Anyway, just thought I'd. Oh yeah, how'd that happen?
Wasn't able to get to go down all the way.
Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna have to get a cutter. We use these heads as a guide, and yeah, defeated today. Defeated.
I found out what happened to my tuber.
Oh yeah, that too. Apparently, he ran out of fluid.
You're in my gearbox.
Yeah.
And trashed it.
Yep.
Hopefully I didn't trash it. All I need is still a center diff and brand new fluid and it goes away.
I'm hoping you just put. You think maybe just putting fluid in it would work? You think a center diff?
I think it already got the center diff.
Okay.
Overheated it. But I found how to rebuild them. I found a company that sells a whole rebuild kit for them things.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost $200 for everything.
How much?
Almost $200.
Oh, not bad.
Like 180 or 190. All the friction plates and the little viscous crap.
Well, we'll get back to this. We'll probably be porting next time the heads.
Yep.
I guess I don't know when.
We're gonna make some cathedral port small block.
Yeah, cathedral ports. Anyway, yeah, we're done for today. Paul the Builder, done building.
Yeah.
And Fat Man Fast signing out.